Hello everybody, just thought we'd do a quick roam around the backyard for a bit of an update. We haven't had a monthly update for a little while and things have changed quite a bit around here. So let's have a gander. First up, where our potatoes used to live, we have ourselves a pool. Yep, it's peak summer here in Australia and the heat has led us to need some water. So there you have it, we're using the space wisely. Our Veggie Keep, as most of you that watch this channel know, we've just kind of been letting this thing go crazy by itself without doing too much to it, but our strawberries are going really well. We've been picking them like crazy. Got a few bits and pieces of herbs there. The silver beet is always doing well. We always miss out on weighing that for our weigh-ins for SHEDWARS because Betty just keeps eating it all the time without giving me an opportunity, but that's always on the go. Got our rainbow chard going on there. We have some peppers that are just starting to grow. Got a few of those little fellas hanging around now, so that's pretty awesome. Down the other end we've got a few different bits and bobs. We've got some carrots growing down the bottom there. Got some snow peas at the end that are doing really well. Again, Betty keeps hacking into those and I don't get a chance to weigh them. This ground is super hot at my feet, so I'm trying not to take too long out here. But it finally happened. We had to put a net over the top of our veggies. So we've got a few of our pumpkins and our tomatoes that are now under netting because the birds finally came across them and started having a good peck at some of our tomatoes that were ready to go. So it doesn't look as visually appealing in the backyard, but hey, at least we've got tomatoes that are ours and not the birds now. We're starting to see some of our watermelons coming through. So you can see there's some little fellas hanging around. Itty bitty babies. In the corner we've got this fella. Don't know if you can see him very well, but there's a big boy down there. Be hard to see on the screen in this light. And quite a few more bits and pieces going on, so that's exciting. I reckon this cucumber's looking a little bit weird, but I should really Google and see what the go is. It definitely doesn't look like the one on the packet. Something's gone a bit weird. We'll figure it out. Lettuce is always going really well. Woohoo! Nice. 2 pumpkins.
Woo!
2 berries. I think they weighed all of 2 grams.
Takes it just over 800 grams.
Nice. Some lettuce and snow peas. Some strawberries.
Grand total of 35 grams.
What a whopping amount. So yeah, various bits and bobs going on. We've got a few things coming up to plant soon, and that includes some mushrooms and a whole hog of new ideas that we've got going on. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you in the next one.